Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, as you can see here, I picked up some more Constitutional Silver for another fantastic price, and I thought I'd share it with you. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so as you know, these usually come in plastic bags and pill bottles and different things, and these came in plastic bags as well. But what I did before I recorded the video is I took them out of the plastic bags and put them in my tubes that I use for the guardhouse boxes just to organize them a little bit. But still, got some nice variation here. Picked up a roll of halves, a roll of quarters, and a roll of dimes. And I'll share with you momentarily how much I paid for it, but it was just another great deal. Maybe the best deal I've gotten from this guy. If not, it's right there. So let's take a look at what I received first. You can see here a roll of halves. Start off with some walkers, and we finish with some walkers. So roll of walkers, and again they're pretty standard looking walkers. Nothing great, nothing bad, no real slicks or anything. But they've definitely spent some time in some pockets, no doubt about that. So we got ourselves a $10 space on some walkers. Always happy to get a tube of walkers going, or always happy to get them. Always happy to get the walkers, of course, what I'm trying to say. And then here we've got a roll of quarters. Now he had told me that some of these quarters are pretty nice, so let's go ahead and get these open and take a look. Look pretty good to me. We see some dirty ones in there, no doubt, but we see some very nice shiny ones too. So let's lay these down. Sorry, I usually lay them down to make some pretty good noise. You can see here there are some nice ones in good shape. So this guy usually gives me stuff in pretty good shape. One of the reasons why I like buying from him is, you know, if you buy from Atmex or JM, they tend to have a lot of slicks. Okay, not a lot. But you know, a good 2 or 3 or 4%. So if you buy 40 of them in a roll of $10, you'll get 40 of them. You know, 2 or 3, maybe 4 might be pretty bad. This guy really doesn't sell anything really bad. Now you could say this is, you know, pushing a slick, but it's a 1940, right? And it's got a little bit of wear, but look at all these other ones. These things are in great shape, and don't let the toning fool you here. That quarter's in pretty good shape. Actually looks like maybe somebody's fingerprint on there. Maybe not. Could be though. Could be mine. Look at the way I handle this stuff. Somebody's looking at these 10 years from now and going, geez, TB, why did you put your fingerprints all over these things? And finally got a roll of dimes. It's a roll of rosies, which I'll take every time. I love the rosies. Take a look at those edges. Oops, got a roll away. A rosie that's a roll away. Look at these, huh? Wow. Again, great shape, looking good. As you know, I'm dumping them out because I need to take my thumbnail picture. And, yeah, what do you think, huh? Just my camera slightly there. Gosh, love those things. So, I've talked about these before. These are Numis tubes that I use. I don't know if I can capture the name on there. It's pretty hard to read it. Read right there, it says Numis tubes, right? These fit very well in my guardhouse boxes now. They're pretty flimsy. They're hard to get the lids off. You can see here, those are just not very durable in the sense of, but you know, once you get them in the box, they're fine. So that's why I get them, because they're cheap and they work and they fit well. So, you know, a lot of times with the guardhouse boxes, these things come right up to the top. And if you want the lid to the guardhouse box to fit, you can't have anything sticking up above it. And these things, you know, if you have anything sticking up like this, your box's top isn't going to fit on right. And all these Numis tubes, these things all fit perfectly, whether it's the dimes, the quarters, or the $50. Now the halves I don't think are Numis. I think I use different ones. Let me see if I can see these. I think these are, what's on there, I just can't see it because it's this blends right in. But these are one of the name brands. I can't recall right off the top of my head. These are not the Numis tubes, but these are the same ones I use for all mine. And I don't know if Yankee ever did a video on the box that I sent him, but I sent him a package of these as well to go in his $50 box that I sent him, because these things fit perfectly in there. Nice and snug, and they just really are perfect for the guardhouse box. So anyway, what do you guys think, huh? Pretty nice. So what I have here is $25 in face value, $10 in halves, $10 in quarters, and $5 in dimes, and cover up with the fingerprint for my thumbnail. And what did I pay for it? So at the time I bought it, spot was $14.87, and I paid $12.31 per troy ounce. So I got this stuff $2.51 below spot per ounce. So wow, what an incredible savings, huh? $2.51 per ounce. And if you do the math, this is almost 18 ounces of silver. So it's 17.86 troy ounces. And let's do the math real quick. How do you figure that out? Just for those who may be new to the videos. So I'm just getting out my calculator right now. All you have to do is you just take 25 for $25. It's $25 face value, and multiply that by 0.715. And that gives you 17.875. So that's how you calculate how much silver's in the face value. So 0.715 is how much silver is in each dollar face value. So I use that number when I decide how much I want to pay. That's a pretty easy way to calculate. So if you take $2.51, reaching over for my calculator again, sorry I don't have it on the screen right now, and I multiply that by 17.87, so I paid $44.85 under spot. That's how much cash, how much money, how much fiat I saved in this deal. Had I bought it for spot, I would have had to pay another $44.85. So just a fantastic deal. And I hope you guys know that I'm not trying to boast or brag. I do want to show you guys that the good deals are out there. But the point is to have you join me and having some fun, seeing what I bought, and also just showing you that I'm continuing to stack and stack in a very good way and stack in an efficient way. So that's it for now. I appreciate you watching, and as always, let's keep talking bullion.